The Vivo Y29 is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a blend of modern features and reliable performance. Here's an overview of its key aspects. The Vivo Y29 features a sleek and modern design with a slim profile and lightweight build, making it comfortable to hold and use. It sports a glossy plastic back with a stylish gradient finish, giving it a premium look despite its budget-friendly pricing. The phone has a sturdy frame with well-placed buttons for easy access, and the rear camera module is neatly integrated for a clean design. While the plastic build keeps it lightweight, it may not feel as premium as glass-backed smartphones, but it offers decent durability for everyday use. The Vivo V29 boasts a 6.68-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, resulting in a sharp 453 ppi pixel density. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsiveness, which is particularly beneficial for gaming and multimedia consumption. With support for HDR10+, users can expect vibrant colors and enhanced contrast, providing an immersive viewing experience. The display achieves a screen-to-body ratio of approximately 90.8%, offering an expansive viewing area with minimal bezels. Additionally, the panel is capable of producing 1 billion colors, delivering rich and accurate color reproduction. The Vivo Y29 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 SoC, a 6nm octa-core processor designed to balance performance and efficiency. Paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, the device handles daily tasks such as web browsing, social media, and multimedia consumption with ease. However, the eMMC 5.1 storage may result in slower data transfer speeds compared to UFS storage found in some competitors. While the Dimensity 6300 is capable of supporting 5G connectivity, it lacks support for certain cellular frequencies, such as LTE Band 20, which could affect connectivity in some regions. The smartphone boasts a dual-camera setup, including a 50MP main camera and a 2MP depth sensor. This configuration allows users to capture detailed and vibrant photos in various scenarios. The Vivo Y29 5G features a 8MP front-facing camera that delivers sharp and colorful selfies, catering to users who enjoy self-portraits. The Vivo Y29 5G offers a range of RAM and storage configurations to cater to diverse user needs. It is available with 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, paired with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. Additionally, the device supports storage expansion via a microSD card, allowing users to add up to 1 TB of extra space. The Vivo Y29 is equipped with a substantial 5500 mAh battery that supports 44W fast charging, ensuring extended usage and quick recharging. According to manufacturer claims, this fast charging capability allows the device to reach a full charge in approximately 79 minutes. Pros: affordable price for the features offered. Good battery life for all-day usage. Decent camera performance for its price range. Smooth display for media consumption and gaming. Cons: bloatware in the software, common in Vivo devices. Average low-light camera performance. Plastic build. Conclusion: the Vivo Y29 stands out as a competitively priced smartphone offering a balanced mix of design, performance, and battery life. However, potential buyers should consider user feedback, especially regarding the camera, to ensure it aligns with their expectations.